Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of passing package target 40 plus for 10 standard. These are the questions from board examination, which are the 100% sure question for board exam. Let us see the question. Find the distance between the point here point minus 6 comma 8 and origin. These are all the question of same types from previous year's question paper. Distance between point and origin. Okay, so let us see the first question. The point given is minus 6 comma 8. Okay, so here let us write this as x and this as y. So we know the distance between point and origin formula. D is equals to root of x square plus y square. D is equals to root of x square. X value is minus 6 square plus y value is 8 square. So D is equals to root of minus and sign and square minus gone. We should remember this. When there is a minus sign and there is a square, then minus minus plus it becomes. 6 square is 36. 6 6 are 36. 8 8 are 64. 64 plus 36 is 100. Root 100 and root 100 is nothing but 10. So the answer is 10 unit. First question. So let us see the second question. Find the distance between point 3 4 and origin. Here the point is 3 4. So what we have to do, this is x and this is y. Same formula. D is equals to root of x square plus y square. D is equals to root of x value is 3 square plus 4 square. Now in the same way we have to do root of 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. And 9 plus 16 is nothing but 25. So root 25 is 5 unit. Let us see the third question here. Find the distance between point minus 8 minus 15 and origin. So here the point is minus 8 minus 15. X value, y value. So here same, D is equals to root of x square plus y square. This is the formula to find distance and origin formula. So D is equals to x value is minus 8 square plus y value is minus 15 square. So D is equals to minus and square. Minus will go because minus into minus plus it is 8 square. 8 8s are 64. Plus sign as it is, this minus and square it will go, minus will go. So 15 15s are 225. D is equals to root of 64 minus 225 is 289. 289 and 289 root of 289 is nothing but 17 unit. So in this way we have to solve this. And the last one here we can see, find the distance between the point AB and origin. So AB, what we have to do, you know, this is x, this is y. Same way, and the formula directly we have to write. D is equals to root of a square plus b square in this way. So instead of AB they can give PQ also. So the answer will be root of p square plus q square. So these are the very important question for board examination. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.